Hello, this is Owen-H2J8, and since it's been a while since I've done any reviews or, videos in general, I thought I'd do a semi-unboxing of Nerdblock, since technically this was already opened hours prior, and excuse the birds in the background. Anyway, here we go. Alright, we'll start off with the shirt here. It's kind of a little big, plus I'm also recording on my phone. But here we have a Princess Mononoke t-shirt there, and I actually have another one of these somewhere in my room, but anyway. Let's see, Princess Mononoke. Try to unfurl it a teeny bit here. There's the bottom half. Anyway. Let's see. We also have an Angel vinyl pop here, which seems to be coming apart at the bottom, but anyway. Actually, it's not a vinyl pop, it's a vinyl figure done by Pop Television, which is by the Funko Company. But let's move on here. We also have a set of Portal 2 magnets, which are a, let's see, yeah, it's right here. They're a Nerdblock exclusive. And let's see what else we got. Oh, and I kind of opened this earlier because I thought it was not working, but apparently it is. It's Street Fighter LED keychain light with its own... Oh, it's gonna work for me. Oh, there we go. Hadouken LED. Yeah. Anyway, moving on. Let's see what else we have here. Oh, Star Wars comic variant edition 1, also from the comic block from Nerdblock, which is awesome. Anyway, it's also oh, interesting. I actually didn't know Marvel did these. Goes to show how much I pay attention, but getting to the point. Let's see what else we have here. Sorry. Let's see. Had a little distraction, but getting to the point. And okay, let's see the other comic. We have Howard the Duck issue 1, and yeah, looks like this is going to be an interesting read. Also, apologies for the glare here. Unfortunately, I don't have very good lighting in the background, so I have to rely on the light on my phone. And piece of resistance. Get it out. Kylo Ren print, which is done by Lee Howard, who is a local artist.